I have a wife and I have a dishwasher and I have spoon issues because sometimes it's a lot easier to throw a wooden spoon or a fork or a bowl into the dishwasher than clean up by hand. But look what happens. You can see how pale and dried out all this wood is. And I don't have a turned bowl because I don't allow anybody to put my bowls into a dishwasher. But the wood dries out, so you need to refresh it and use something like mineral oil here. I'll put a glob on here. And you can, this will be amazing how quickly it changes color. See? It just soaks up in there beautifully. And the reason you want to do this is because it protects the wood. So while you're using it for cooking and putting it in the dishwasher occasionally, it'll keep the spoon from going to crap. Now, funny thing is, this is an olive wood spoon, which is very expensive, and you wash it by hand. You don't put it in the dishwasher. Do not use olive oil to refresh it. Don't use any cooking oil because it could go rancid. Something like mineral oil, which is inert, will restore the finish beautifully, and it'll do it safely.